Hey guys, this is Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha again. I am just letting you know that we have our 2009 Honda Fit that just hit our showroom. This car has 28 city, 35 highway miles per gallon. Great for the fuel economy. It's nice and compact, which means you'll be able to find parking wherever you decide to go. But as you see, there is room for your whole entire family. This car has room for shopping or hauling because the seats lay down, or just as a regular commute car. Clean interior, a great dash and driving console, and it's a Honda. Come in and see it at the Waukesha Byrider, W226 South 1700 Highway 164, or give us a call at 262-506-3131 and let's get you driving in this Honda Fit today.